So they start to use modern techniques. They learn about better food for goats, not just grass but nutritious mixed feeds. They study animal healthcare more deeply. Vaccines and regular checks become common. They explore improved breeding practices. This helps to produce stronger, healthier goats. Modern knowledge transforms their approach. Science and tradition begin to work together. The goal is healthier animals, better yields. Consider some of their specific innovations. Some young farmers grow hydroponic fodder. This means growing special grass without soil. It provides fresh food all year round. Others use digital apps for record keeping. They track each goat's health and milk. This data helps them make smart decisions. Technology is becoming a powerful new tool. Small changes bring about big improvements. They are pioneering a smarter way to farm.